Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice to restore vitality. Take a moment to get settled. Make sure your space is quiet and free from distractions. You may choose to block out light with an eye mask or pull down the shades. Just ensure that you will be comfortable and warm. Yoga Nidra practices are best done in a Shavasana type position, lying comfortably on your back, either on the floor or even in your bed, legs a foot or so apart, and arms down by your sides with the palms up. Complete all necessary preparations for the body so that you are comfortable and can remain still for this entire practice. In yoga, prana is the term for the force that nourishes the body with vitality. Prana can become depleted with unhealthy levels of stress and negative thought cycles. Yoga Nidra is an effective practice to strengthen one's pranic field. This works by temporarily withdrawing attention from the outer world and responsibilities and redirecting the prana, your life force, in more deliberate and supportive ways. For all the energy we give to the world through our day-to-day activities, it is now time to rest and replenish the body. Allow your body to get settled and find stillness. Take a deep breath into a soft belly. Release an easy, patient exhale as you allow the body to soften and relax. Allow the breath to slow down as you slow down. Let the breath become even and smooth. Take your in-breath for a count of 5, and your out-breath for a count of 5. Now add a pause between the breaths. Deep breath in for 5. Pause. Slow breath out for 5. Pause. The awareness of your breath reminds the body to soften. This is time you have set aside for exactly this practice. Allow your physical energy to find stillness as you consciously slow down the breath. Inhale for 5. Pause. Then exhale for 5. Pause. Now release control of the breathing process and allow the breath to settle into a natural rhythm. As you collect your attention here and now, body and breath slowing and softening, you are strengthening your vitality. This practice will allow you to have more energy available to send in a specific direction. The energy backing your thoughts becomes more potent as you allow your body to get soft and heavy. Take a moment to invite a specific intention into this practice. Something you wish to invoke and affirm. Something positive you wish to direct your energy into. Formulate your intention in the present tense, affirming it as it is already true. You could use a statement like I am confident, I am strong, I am full of energy. Formulate your intention and repeat it to yourself 3 times. Sense the deepening stillness in the body. Feel it increasing more and more. Even though the body is still, feel the undercurrent of aliveness flowing through the body. Notice where it feels more vibrant, where it feels less vibrant. As I guide your attention to different subtle energetic intersections in the body, let your attention rest there momentarily, just feeling into that region, noticing and allowing any sensation that's there. Eyebrow center, throat, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, throat, left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, throat, center of the chest, right side of the chest, center, left side of the chest, center of the chest, navel point, center of the chest, throat, eyebrow center. Sense each of these points as potent centers of energy interwoven as a single fabric, a connection of sensations. Place your attention again at the navel center and imagine a concentrated point of light like a star radiating out from this center. Visualize thousands of tiny strands of light reaching out to every point throughout the body. An elaborate system of subtle inner circuitry. Every time you inhale, feel the light in your navel intensify, the breath providing nourishment. As you exhale, see this light spread outward like tiny sparks reaching outwards from this center of your body. The in-breath, nourishing the bright star in your navel center. The out-breath, sending a pulsation of sparks into every cell of the body. The breath is feeding this subtle energetic network of vitality. Follow this extension of sparks, reaching every part of the body. Now bring your attention just beyond the edge of your skin to the space around your body. Sense a tingling vibrance, shimmering energy just beyond the edge of your skin. Sense that your energy is not just confined to the border of your skin. The flow of sensation is not confined to any border. It extends beyond the skin into the surrounding space. Sense the vibrating field around the entire body. Sense the edges of the physical body fading into this vibrating field. A loss of definition and distinction as you are absorbed into this larger field of vitality. Visualize a luminous, shimmering, egg-shaped field surrounding the entire body. Let go into this subtle dimension of prana, expanding beyond the physical boundaries of body and mind. In the midst of this silent process, feeling your prana, energy, sense a deeply rejuvenating quality flooding the chest, throat, head, and brain. Feel deep restoration and replenishment, just floating and dissolving with this vastness of energy. Your awareness emerging and disappearing, sensations, space, energy. You are becoming the space. Just energy. Just silence. Now bring your attention to the inner quiet in the eyebrow center. Recall your intention, enlivening a sense of purpose and intensity to the direction of prana right here in your eyebrow center. Remember your intention and repeat it again 3 times. Feel the energy behind it. Affirm it. As you gently bring attention back to the physical body, sense its coexistence with a field of vibrant aliveness, a renewed vitality in the muscles, organs, and bones. Take a deep breath in and breathe into every single cell a renewed sense of aliveness and clarity. Explore this new energetic presence by gently beginning to wiggle your fingers and your toes, slowly exploring movements through the body. Maintain your connection to this energy by keeping your eyes closed as you gently explore little movements. When you're ready, start to bend your knees and roll over onto your left side. Keep your eyes closed, feeling the presence of aliveness within. As you lay on your side, take a breath. Recall your intention, hear the words, and connect to the feeling. Slowly come to a seated position with your eyes closed and a quiet mind. Before opening your eyes, bring your palms together and rub the palms together to generate heat. Once your palms are warmed, place your palms over your eyes. Feel warmth and energy flow into your eyes and brain, stimulating your mind and senses. Keep your palms over your eyes as you gently open them, first allowing filtered light in slowly. When you feel ready, release your hands into a prayer position in front of your chest and become aware of the surrounding space. Feel rested, vibrant, and